Today, we celebrate you. We celebrate the 1 year of sleepless nights, the endless diapers, the cuddles.
Ang pagdating mo anak sa amin, isang malaking miracle. 3 years ka namin pinag-pray, 3 years ka namin hiningi kay God.
Happy first birthday, Jared!
Happy birthday, Jared!
Hi, Jared. Happy birthday. I wish you the best in your life. We love you so much.
Pakinig ka kila Daddy and Mommy. Huwag ka sana maging matigas sa ulo. I love you so much.
I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you.
Happy birthday, Jared!
Happy birthday, Jared! Sana lumaki kang mabait na bata at matalino. We love you so much, Jared.
Ang aking mensahe, Jared, prayer. Na sana maging healthy, normal, may malaking pag-ibig at takot sa Diyos. Ang pag-ibig sa pamilya, lalong-lalo sa kanyang mga kuya, especially kay Kuya Jacob.
I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I see you. I think I see
May you grow a child na may takot sa Diyos.
And we are excited to see more miracles as you grow up.
Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Jared!